right, we're gonna be a part of this shit. Right. It's gonna be picnic season again for our people.
Worse than that. Right.
Trump got it set up where the Walmarts and the KKK, he getting ready to give them a green light and let them do whatever they want with us. If y'all ever saw the shit, the female caskets, there's billions of them shit. You know what I'm talking about, right? When they black caskets.
Yeah, they all.
It's like a whole bunch of caskets.
Casket liners,
got
they
set
said
up ready for all the
that.
deaths. And it ain't gonna be just one person per casket. They're gonna be piling like 6, 7 bodies on top in one bucket.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that means it's gonna be billions. If y'all ever saw the picture of it, it's like a whole field of them shits.
Hey man, and guess who the main people they want to put in there?
That's right. That's why I said this shit gonna be going on. It's still going on. A little Puerto Rican kid just got hung. He survived being hung. Y'all saw that image? It was a little Latino boy who had the lacerations around his neck because the KKK hung his ass, but he survived it.
Yeah. Hey, man.
They doing it now, man.
Hey man, that's what I truly believe. I truly believe that the time of Jacob's trouble is about to fucking hit, man. The Lord showing signs of him moving in and closing in, man.
Everything that I got right there, that's true.
Hey, Trump is not even allowing the supplies to get to the people in Puerto Rico, and it's right there. Like it's at the border, but he like, nah. Y'all can't get it yet.
Yeah.
Some paperwork got to be filled out.
Cause guess what?
Just to make sure there's more dollars.
Motherfuckers mad at Trump. What you mad at him for? He the fucking devil, man. How you gonna be mad at the devil for, like they was mad at this devil cracker Joe, the church dude, Joel Osteen, because he ain't opened up his church to the people in Houston. He's fucking supposed to do that, man. He the fucking devil, man. When you niggas gonna get right, though? How you gonna be mad at the devil for being a fucking devil? They're not supposed to let you in their fucking churches. When you're laying in a famine, you starving to death, dying the fuck off, they ain't supposed to feed you, man. Our people trusting these crackers too much. That's why right now, they in Puerto Rico feeling it, man. You got people starving down there.
Yo, they drinking.
They ain't got no water.
They drinking the curb water.
Yeah.
Dirty curb water.
Yeah.
You see the shit, the garbage truck juice, they drinking that shit.
And them fucking Puerto Ricans, man, the tribe of Ephraim, they real arrogant and proud, man. You know how them Puerto Ricans be thinking they the shit, man? Especially in the island, that was a beautiful island. You know, everybody wanna, where you going? Let's go to Puerto Rico, man. The mommies out there. Then the Lord now look at that shit. The Lord fucked that place up, man.
Right.
And that's a beautiful thing, man. Ain't nothing wrong with the Lord did. That's good judgment, man.
Right.
And he got the spirit on that devil not to help y'all, which he ain't supposed to do any fucking way. Cause he the devil. His ancestors was killing your fucking ancestors, man.
Right. And like I said, man, this shit been going on, man. Venezuela been feeling it, man. They been going through their famine. They been suffering, man. But the Lord is moving closer and closer in on America, man. The Lord is about to fucking, the Lord about to fuck this place up, man, real bad. The Lord saving the best for last, man, or the worst for last, rather. Good, give me that. Finish with that.
Yeah, I had a slaughters being shot.
Nah, that's what you had.
This Ezekiel 21:9. Son of man, prophesies and say, thus said the Lord, say, a sword is sharpened and also furbished. It is sharpened to make a sure slaughter.
And what's the Lord's sword, man? What's the instrument that the Lord used to fuck up the 12 tribes of Israel? These fucking devils, man. These fucking so-called Edomites, these elites, these fucking elites that the so-called Illuminati, man, they fucking send an order out, man. Fuck them niggas up, man. Bring martial law in, man.
Don't help them. Look, all that money, guess what? You got to send money through the Red Cross, man. And the Red Cross is wicked as hell, man. Because if it was a war, that's how you know wars are financed. If it was a war, and the Red Cross got to come in, neither side can shoot at the Red Cross. That's bullshit. If it was a war, me and you banging out, yo, the victims on your inside, you ain't about to send aid to help these motherfuckers. I'm about to cap your ass off too. They the enemy. You know what I'm saying? That's how you know, and you send that money to them organizations, that shit go right in their pockets, man. Look at all the money that was donated to Haiti. And they still living in fucking firehouses, man. Why? Because that shit, hundreds of millions was donated to Haiti. Look how they living. That shit went right in the devil's pocket. But can you be mad at him? Nah, because he the fucking devil, man. You gotta be mad at our people for not repenting, man.
That's right.
Ezekiel 21:9, Son of man, prophesies and say, thus said the Lord, say, a sword is sharpened and also furbished.
Right, and that's what we come out here to tell you people, man, because we are the prophets of the Lord. We the ones that spit out the prophecies. The Lord told us to tell you people, Jacob's trouble, the time of Jacob's trouble is coming. Them nuclear bombs is coming. Martial law is fucking coming, man. These nations is preparing they new world order. And what's part of that new world order? Martial law, man. You got fucking Walmart funding and financing all these fucking troops, all these secret troops. Preparing for what? What the fuck they preparing for? They setting these concentration camps up and shit, shutting down Walmarts, turning them into concentration camps and shit, man. And that's the Lord sharpening his sword.
Right, and when you sharpen the sword, you prepping it for a slaughter. And see, that's a metaphor. The Lord ain't really sitting there like, but you gotta think, people, that's why people read the Bible like, God got a sword. No, dummy. It's spiritual, man. That's why the Lord gotta be really dealing with you, understand the book, man. He said, when you sharpen the sword, you prepping it for a kill. Like you about to say it. We went fishing, right? We went deep sea fishing. We got some bluefish, whatever, sea bass, different shit, and we ready to kill it. But we got some old, slaughter it and cook it. But we got some old ass dull knives. But before I get back, I call these brothers that didn't go, look, get them knives out of the drawer. We coming back with the fish. And they gonna be sitting there, sharpening, getting ready to slaughter the fish, man. So when the Lord said he is sharpening, he said a sword is being sharpened, that's that judgment. That's them troops practicing every day. They do drills and shit. A lot of these hurricanes and the levees breaking and all that, Katrina, them be inside jobs for them to like practice drills. Or when the shit really go down, how they gonna control the shit.
That's right.
That's why the Lord said a sword is being sharpened, man. But these motherfuckers don't know that, man. Esau is practicing every day. Not even military Esau. You got regular devils that's in their backyard shooting at black targets, man. Thinking about what? How we gonna kill these niggas when that time come, man.
Right.
So that sword is being sharpened, man. What it take? Smoking a blunt, chasing behind some wicked ass girl in the ghetto, doing a damn stinky leg, going clubbing some damn way, man. That's what Israel is into. Let me finish this one.
Your ass gonna be up in the club here.
It is sharpened to make a sure slaughter.
Hunt. And what's that sure slaughter, man? Martial law troops coming, pushing your ass in concentration camps, and if you don't take the fucking chip, I'm taking your fucking head off, man, with a fucking guillotine.
Yeah, it is verbiage that it may glitter. So you know when you shine it,
shine it to perfection.
When you shine it and you lift it up, and she say, man, the Lord, but people look at, that's the Lord saying like, yo, I'm about to ride on y'all. 2/3 of our people gonna get annihilated, man. Then they gonna try to come for election, then that's when they gonna get fucked up. But 2/3, man, the Lord got a judgment for their asses, man.
Right.
The Lord got a judgment for them, man. He said that, hold up. Okay, that it may, that it may glitter. Should we then make mirth? You know what I'm saying? So he asked him a question. Should we then be in some goofball ass spirit knowing this?
Right.
Hell no, you're supposed to be meditating day in and day out.
Right.
Right? This is Genesis chapter 27, verse 38. And Esau said onto his father, hast thou but one blessing, my father?
Right, this is the forefather of the so-called white man, whose real nationality is called Edomites. This is the forefather of their nation. This is the one who started the nation of the so-called white man. You understand what I'm saying? This is the time when it was time for him to get his blessing, his birthright, but his brother already had hustled him out of it. So his brother had got the birthright got the blessing that was supposed to came to him, and he was looking for a blessing left over for him to get. Go ahead.
Bless me, even me also, O my father. And Esau lifted up his voice and wept.
Right, and that's why when we fucking tell these fucking devils that they're going into slavery, that they're gonna be destroyed, that America is gonna be destroyed, man. They look for all types of ways to fucking find peace with us. And once they find out that they can't make peace with us, we won't let them make peace with us, they fucking start crying. They start getting in the mournful and fucking sad bitch-made state, man.
Yeah, because they know what? They can't be a part of what's going on.
But once that bitch-made state go away and they realize there's nothing they could do to win the Lord over, then that's when they fucking horns gonna start popping out their head. That's when they face it. That's when they gonna get mad. Their faces gonna turn red, and they gonna feel like, man, fuck it, the Lord ain't fucking with me. Kill everything.
That's right. I can write a quick scripture to prove that. This is Revelations chapter 12, verse 12. Therefore rejoice, ye heavens, and ye that dwell in them. Woe unto the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea, for the devil is come down unto you, having great wrath, because he know that he have a short time.
Right. So once these devils find out that America about to be destroyed and that they have no place to be saved once the destruction come, man, they gonna start fucking tearing shit up, man. Because at the end of the day, the elites know this truth, man. But the so-called middle class and all these other crackers that don't belong in that elite class society, they don't know the truth until we tell them. And they might not even believe it until they start seeing shit. Once they start seeing shit, and these fucking devils already, man, they already starting to wild out because they starting to realize that they own people don't give a fuck about. They starting to realize that whole middle class shit was an illusion, man. They realize that it ain't three classes of society. It's only two. You got the upper class and then everybody else poor.
You got the rich and the poor.
Right, the rich and the poor. But for years, for hundreds of years, America was set up on thinking that it was the elites, then it was a middle class, then it was the inferior class.
Yeah. They got upper middle class and they got lower middle class.
But really it's an illusion, and these fucking crackers starting to realize that. They starting to realize that our own government don't give a fuck about us. Tear this shit the fuck up.
Right, that's why they want to pull the statues down and all that.
Right.
You know? Right. Yo, I was in New York. I've been in New York a lot lately. You know, doing what I do out there. But I noticed something about New York. The cops out there. The cops out there is, when you look at the spirit on them, they just want to go the fuck home, man. They don't want to deal with the crowd of New York and the people of New York and do shit. They got a spirit on them like, man, I can't wait till my shift over to get the fuck out of there. I was out in the ghetto out there in Brooklyn, down around Brownsville, East New York area. The cop station right there. You got niggas about to fight across the street. The police like this. I ain't about to break that shit up. And I'm looking at the cop like, yo, you about to just, y'all ain't going, like out here they be like, ho, y'all break, you know what I'm saying? But the spirit on them damn cops out there is like, listen, man. And they showed you that in what, the movie World War Z. When he went in the store, everything was going on, and guess what? That's spiritual. See, crackers is funny, man. Z is the last letter of the alphabet. And that means that's the end of it. So instead of saying World War III, they say World War Z, because World War III is the war to end all wars. So they named that movie World War Z to show you what's going to be going on during the time of the Third World War. But the average mind don't don't look at that, man. Yeah, put the bag on it, the stuff on it if you have to. But the average mind don't look at it like that, man. You know?
Right. Z is the last letter of the alphabet.
And that cop, he thought the cop was coming for him. The cop walked right past him and got some medicine. Because cops don't give a shit about their job. This is exactly what it is to them, a job, a way to make money. You got very few cops that come out here and try to play Mahoney or Hogan or one of these old cops. These cops trying to get their paycheck and bounce, man. They ain't trying to get into no confrontation, brother.
Cop myself, bro. You know the cop checking me. He said it's coming to a time where it's about to be martial law. He said we ain't gonna have no choice but to side with y'all. Cop told me that when I was locked up. Myself told me that. Yeah, we ain't gonna have no choice but to side with y'all.
It's only two sides. Yeah. Either you rolling with the elites or you rolling with the people. Yeah. But really, the real two sides is you rolling with good or you rolling with evil.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's the real two sides. Right. You know what I'm saying?
Right. You either gonna take the chick or you don't take the chick. And that's what this whole New World Order shit is about, man. One world government, one world money system, one world fucking army. What the fuck? Think about this shit. What the fuck? What the fuck do you need a one world army for? Who are you gonna fight? There's nobody left to fight. Who the fuck you gonna fight? You gotta have your mindset on something outside of this planet. This is the only army on the whole planet. Who the fuck you gonna fight? The only place else is to look is up. And that's the truth, man. They know that the Lord is returning with his chariots, man.
Like this.
You know what I'm saying?
So these three tribes.
I don't know that's the question.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right.
Where did you get this? Where is the source for this?
Where's what?
Are you still here?
Do I look white?
I don't know. I'm just asking.
I mean this,
before,
that
right?
Judah was nigga. Where did you get it from?
From the Bible. The scriptures tell you. Give me Genesis 49. 49 and 1. Because you heard of the 12 tribes of Israel, right? Now each tribe, the Lord told, first give me Jeremiah 17 and 4. Because you got to get a little understanding first. Because the Lord said this will happen to the nation of Israel. Read that.
This is Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 4.
Right?
And thou, even thyself, shalt discontinue from thine heritage.
Right, the Lord said you're going to discontinue from thy heritage, meaning you're going to lose track of who you were as a people. You know what I'm saying? And even in basketball, they got a call. Back in the day, we used to ball. They used to, it's a call that's called dis. That means, like, yo, you dis, give up the rock. This is short for what? Discontinue. Meaning you was dribbling the ball, you stopped and dribbled again. Really, in real basketball, it's called the walk. You know what I'm saying? But in the hood, we called it a travel. In the hood, we call it dis or discontinue. Now, we was dribbling the ball all the way up to what point? America. We stopped dribbling it, right? So when did we start dribbling the ball again? Right now, because we waking back up to who we are. But the Lord said when y'all wake up back to who y'all are, y'all gonna need to identify yourself. So I'm gonna leave y'all with a little something in my book to look at and give you some clues for y'all to identify yourself. And this is what the Lord said. Read.
And thou, even thyself, shalt discontinue from thine heritage that I gave thee. And I will cause thee to serve thine enemies in the land which thou knowest not.
That's why we in America. Serving who? You work for who? The white man. I don't care if you got your own business, you pay taxes. Even if you work for somebody, you pay taxes. You owe the white man. You can't do nothing without the white man having his hands in it. Because you serving your enemies, just like how the Lord was said. That he said what happened. Now, give me Genesis 49 and 1 for the brother. What's your nationality? Nigerian? Where you from? Igbo? Yoruba? Huh? Igbo, right? Read that.
Genesis chapter 49, verse 1.
Right.
And Jacob called unto his sons.
Like Jacob called unto his sons. Jacob was the father of the Israelites. And this is what he said, read.
And said, gather yourselves together, that I may tell you that which shall befall you in the last days.
Right. He said, what shall what? Befall you. But what shall happen unto you in what time?
In the last days.
In the last days, which means what now? But you got a lot of people saying, oh, we don't deal with the Old Testament. How you don't deal with the Old Testament? There's prophecies in the Old Testament that speak of the last days. Not even deep in the Old Testament, right in the